northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Yorkville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Quarter-size hail was reported in Yorkville with this storm. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Portland Park, Troy Park, Oak Run, Romeoville, Clayfield, Woodridge, Osceola, Burbank, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Mokina, Frankfort, Palos Hills, Yorkville, Lamont, Justice, Channahon, Minooka, Plano, and Blue Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. A severe